and this is my very first YouTube video on my very first YouTube channel, and my channel is all about Lego, so I'm going to be getting Lego and reviewing it. And today I will be building this Landrover Defender. It's an 11 plus, so that's why I'm going to get my dad to help me.
Cue Dad! Yes, Lincoln, how excited are you about this?
Very excited.
This is epic. I really want to do this for myself.
I've been waiting for over a week.
So, what do we do first, Lincoln? Should we do a bit of an unboxing, or should we show everybody what this looks like?
So,
epic!
So at the front there's the size of it, and also there's a small square there, shows you how big it is.
Let's have a look on the back of this box, guys.
Yep. So the back, it shows you all the main things. So when it moves, the pistons at the front move. It has suspension. It has like a something.
It's got loads of tricky parts. It's got doors that open and close and lock. And on the back, it's got a really good suspension. It's got a proper gearbox.
The top of it can come off. That's
I can't wait any longer. Get it open.
Okay, let's do this. Box inside of a box.
I want to know what's in the big box.
Let's open the big box.
Get a knife.
This is a collector's edition, so we need to keep this in good condition, don't we?
We do. I'll let you do the honours.
Ooh, in here.
Alright.
And I've never ever had an instruction manual this thick.
OMG, Lincoln!
This is humongous!
Sit down, you get too excited.
Okay.
Can't believe you did it! I'm too excited as well. Stickers. Look how thick this is, Lincoln.
And this has, I'll show you guys how much pages there are.
Right, let's get these wheels done.
The wheels are at the end.
Just wait, let's do it in order. I know you're excited. I'm excited. You're excited.
Open.
Right, we've kicked off the time lapse. We've got our other superstar boy here, William, and he's going to be helping out with getting going. So, guys, I'm going to leave you to it. I'm going to go and use the toilet for a minute.
Okay.
I've got my paper with me. I might fall asleep. Come and find me in 5 minutes.
Okay. Okay. Let's go.
It is only one only. Like this.
It's hard, isn't it? It's a tricky build, this. But we're getting there, guys. We're nearly done stage 1 of the motor.
Well, all of the bag ones.
Yeah.
Oh, that was epic.
Yep, that was. So, guys, this is the very end of all of the #1 packets. And
was it hard, Lincoln?
yep, this is the suspension. The suspension. This does like the gear part.
Well, we won't be able to see that too close on camera, but what we're going to say is we're going to sign off for today. End of part 1 is done. Close up so you can see.
And the pieces
if you can see.
are spare.
There, it's coming into focus. Oh, yes.
Focus.
That is where we're up to. That is where we're up to, guys.
Yes. And I'm glad.
And these are spare bits. Right, high five it, Link. Big tens, actually. Big tens. Right, we'll see you in the next, for part 2, yeah?
Yeah, part 2.
Excited?
Bye! Guys, so this is the end of part 2. Part 2, I was so excited, so I accidentally done all of part 2. I think I've done a bit on camera, but I think I've done most of part 2 off camera. So the wheel controls the wheels, and also this is going to be at the top. That also controls the wheels.
I'll tell you what I find really cool is this little winch on the front
winch.
here.
You turn this and that lets out the rope. You turn it back in.
Pull things in. That's very cool, isn't it?
Yep, like I could get my Corvette. You could get your Bugatti Chiron off the wall and can pull it.
Right, so we're going to move on to the bags numbered number 3. And then we've only got one left to do after we've done that. So we're going to carry on with the number 3.
And then
that's our next job.
Yeah, and then we have the wheels at the end.
Love doing the wheels.
Wow, there's 5 wheels. 5 wheels on this. Wow, I did not expect that.
Right, Lincoln, let's get all the number 3 bags emptied. Go, go, go.
See? So this is so far basically nearly done. Basically.
The boy is working into the night. We've got him set up with a proper light. He's just not leaving this thing alone. He's so excited.
But look, it all tonight.
This is really coming on.
I'm so excited. I've not left this position. I've only left this to get food and do a couple other things. What's up, guys? So now I have finished the Landrover Lego. Ta-da! So it's got lots of working things and really cool things with it. So
let me just get the camera and get it zoomed in so people can see it better.
So this part can open and stay like that.
That holds the bonnet up.
Yep. And
which gives you access to the engine. Let's just have a quick look at the engine with the moving pistons. OMG.
The winch. And if you want to reel it back in, you push that down. Because it doesn't work when you reel it back in. It can't reel back in, but when you push that like that, it reels back in. Nice and smoothly.
Sick, Lincoln, sick.
Yep.
Show me some other awesome things on this build.
Personally, my favourite part of it has to be the working lock at the back. So this lock opens and locks, so unlocks and locks. All you do is turn the wheel at the back, then it's locked and unlocked. And also another really good part about this is this. The doors actually open. The wheel steers the front wheels and the gears, it actually took us quite a long time to get the gears in perfect position so the pistons move. Took us quite a while. And also up here at the top, this piece here also turns the wheels. Also turns the wheels.
This has been the biggest build you've ever done, Lincoln, isn't it?
Yeah, on my own. And I actually done most of this just with a bit of your help and a bit of William's help. And most I've done.
And what's on the roof here, Link? Are you going to show me this?
Put it in position, get the wheel straight. So these can both come off. So these both, this opens.
So that's like a little roof box, isn't it?
Yeah, this is a roof rack and
what have you got here?
Side box.
Yes.
And
just show the suspension working because that is a really cool part of this build.
It's
Look at that!
It's mostly got really good suspension at the back, and also when you drop it, it bounces like a bouncy ball.
Wow.
Oh, and also...
Show me the underneath of it as well.
Oh, that's really complex.
OMG.
Yep.
OMG.
And so at this side, I'll show you this is the ladders, so you can get up to the top. And also another really cool feature that I really like is this, that you can take these out, take them out.
Yeah.
So you can take these off, if I can take them off. Yep, got them off. And you can take the roof rack off.
Oh, so you can have a totally clean roof.
Yep.
Oh, wicked. So if you're not going on holiday and you don't need the roof rack, you could have it slick and sleek. Show us take. That's it. Let's have a look.
Put these.
Ah, so that's it without the roof rack on.
Yep, without the roof rack. These come in. And this is the roof rack. Side opens and ladders.
Wicked, wicked.
Yep.
Right. I think we should wrap this video up, Link, and have your final finishing comments to this build.
So I think this is a really, really good build. So I recommend this for anyone that's age of like, if you got a really good experience with Lego, I would recommend kids should have this. What?
How old, Link, you think?
I would think...
So you're
8.
8. And this was an 11 plus, and you've done this, but you've got good experience with Lego.
Yeah. I've been playing with Lego ever since when I was like 3 or 4, I usually played with like Duplo, and when I went to like age 5, I started going with proper builds.
Cool. So, final finishing thoughts for this video, and then maybe tell people what your next video is going to be about. But
so I think this is a really good build, and one of my other videos is going to be, I'm going to be making I have 2 future videos, and it's going to be a Harry Potter one and a Avengers one.
wait a minute, aren't you supposed to say some like YouTubey things like smash the like button, hit the notification bell?
So make sure to smash that like button, hit the notifications and subscribe. Bye!
Bye! You have to take this Landrover everywhere with you while we're having tea, yeah?
It's Shepherd's Pie and Landrover Defender.